Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user to give 3 digits, and then our program will reverse the arrangement of the 3 given digits using C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So let's begin. So we have here sharp include stdio.h. This is a standard input-output library file in C programming language for input-output. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program. Begin. Int n for 0, that will be a variable that will store the 3 digits. Printf or print formatting in C, we have here two new line, the \n, the title of our program, \d, horizontal tab, reverse 3 numbers in C. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give 3 digits that will be stored in our variable n. New line here, and then in this line of code, we will display the reversal value. So we have here 3 %d or decimal. So here is the process. So n modulus 10, if there is some remainder, and then divide by 10 modulus 10 and divide by 100 to reverse the arrangement of 3 given numbers. New line end of program here, printf or print formatting to inform the user that the program has been ended. New line here, and then return 0 will return to our operating system. A light curly bracket to close the body of our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our code blocks, IDE, build and run. Okay, our program is running right now. Reverse 3 numbers in C, give 3 digits. Let's see, we have 8, 4, and 1. So after reversal, we have your reverse value of 1, 4, and 8. End of program. Another example, let us run again by clicking the play button. We have here 3, 2, 9. The reversal value of 329 is 923. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on reverse 3 digits or 3 numbers using C programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have some questions, clarification, just leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.